12 creams on my bathroom counter, every one of them empty. Started with the drugstore kind, the ones my mother used in the prescription tubes. 3 months on, 1 month off each time I stopped. The dark spots came back darker than before. $4,000 on dermatologist, maybe more, I lost count. Vitamin C from every shelf, the ones I saw on TikTok. The serums from the influencers, the soaps from the brand new lines. Every single one of them paused them for a moment, then they came. 12 bottles in the trash, 12 hopes that all ran out. I'd given up on my own face, didn't know what I was about. Hadn't smiled in any photo for years, wouldn't look in the mirror. I thought my skin was just like this, I thought this was just my year. My sister came over Tuesday, saw the graveyard on my counter. She said, sis, I've been worried, you don't smile like you used to. I told her, I'm tired of trying, every product just leaves me crying. She said, this kid isn't like the others, just trust me and try. She handed me a kit that night, said it works through 2 formulas. Alpha Arbutin in the gel, vitamin C for uneven tone, Tamarind seed and Aloe Vera, rich moisture from the lotion. The others paused them, she said this one targets them. 12 bottles in the trash, 12 hopes that all ran out. This one's different, my sister said just give it 8 weeks, and I've been waiting 8 years already. What was one more shot? I started that same Tuesday night, half believing what she taught. Week 1 I was skeptical, week 2 I almost stopped, then week 3 came around, my spots were softer than before. Week 6 my friend at work said, girl, what are you using? Week 8 I looked in the mirror and I saw myself again. The woman I had been hiding from for years and years and years, she was still there underneath the spots, underneath the tears. I'd forgotten what a smile looked like, hadn't seen it in so long, and now I do, and now I do, and now I do. My sister called me Sunday, said it's time to tell our cousin she's been hiding the same way, spending the same money. I told her, send her the kit, this is what worked for me. Lighten up the dark spot correcting kit by Mitchell Brands, a targeted gel and body lotion made to address uneven looking skin. Use it consistently, protect your skin from the sun. Give it a try, see what it does.